हेलो बच्चों, आज हम सीखेंगे ए टू जेड। ए टू जेड को आज हम कलर करेंगे। मेरे पास बहुत सारे कलर्स हैं, इनको ओपन करते हैं और आपको बताते हैं। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। ये है ए फॉर एप्पल। ए फॉर एप्पल। ए फॉर एप्पल। B for ball. B for ball. B for ball. C for cat. C for cat. C for cat. D for dog. D for dog. E for elephant. E for elephant. F for fish. F for fish. G for grapes. G for grapes. G for grapes. H for hat. H for hat. I for ice cream. I for ice cream. J for jug. J for jug. K for kite. K for kite. L for lion. L for lion. M for monkey. M for monkey. N for nest. N for nest. O for orange. O for orange. P for parrot. P for parrot. Q for queen. Q for queen. R for rabbit. R for rabbit. S for sun. S for sun. S for sun. T for tiger. T for tiger. U for umbrella. U for umbrella. V for violin. V for violin. W for watch. W for watch. X for X-ray. X for X-ray. Y for yak. Y for yak. Z for zebra. Z for zebra. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel.